In today's video, let me show you how to fix YouTube app crashing on Android. So if you're currently facing this issue, there are a few solutions that you can try out. The first thing that you can do is look for new updates available. So simply head over to the Play Store, search for YouTube, and if you do see new updates available, you can just tap on the update button. Updating applications helps to fix any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue. Now, once you complete this first step, make sure you remove the Facebook application from the recent app list. Try to open up the app again and try to see if the issue is now fixed. If the issue still persists, then what you can also try out or need to ensure is that your phone has enough space. If the space on your phone is running out, this may be the exact issue that you're facing. Lastly, what you can also try out if none of these solutions are working out for you is just reinstall the application of YouTube onto your phone and also try rebooting your device. So these are the few ways that you can try out in order to solve the YouTube app crashing on your Android device. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.